Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. If you already done your Midjourney's free trial and you don't have enough money to buy the subscription, I have got great solution for you. It's called playgroundai.com and you can see the images. These AI images are made by this tool, guys, and I can tell you that it's one of the best Midjourney's alternative, and it's even better, guys, and I have my arguments why do I think so. First of all, it's almost free, and I will explain you why I'm telling you that it's almost free, guys. First of all, go to this website. I will leave the link in the description. Sign up. It's very simple. You just need to connect your Gmail, and after you will create an account, you can click your profile picture in the top right corner, guys, and then you should go to menu and click pricing. And when you go to this page, you will see that after creating an account, you will have the free plan. And with this free plan, you can create 1000 images per day. So 1000 image per 24 hours. It's a lot, guys. And also you can use these images which are created by playgroundai.com in a commercial way, so you can monetize them. This tool also has got the pro plan. I'm not going to review this plan. If you like it, you can upgrade your account, but personally for me, I think that a free account is enough, guys. Now we can go to the main page, and now we can start making AI images. You just need to click the create button in the top right corner and you will go to this page. Let's start with the left menu. The first thing is the styles. When you scroll this down, you will see a lot of styles, different styles. So you can choose one of them. And when you enter the prompt, your image will be similar to these styles, guys. You can also choose none and you won't use any style. You can test all of them. I will test some of them and I will show you how this tool is working. So these are the styles. Here is the place where you enter the prompt. Down below the prompt, when you turn this on, here you can enter the negative prompts. Here you can also upload the image for the inspiration. You can test also this. In the top right menu, you will see the AI models. At the moment, we are using Stable Diffusion 1.5. Also, it has got Stable Diffusion 2.1. You can test this also, and it has got also Dell E2 AI model, guys. Here are the emissions. The bad thing about the free plan is that you can choose the maximum size. You can use these sizes, but it's enough, guys. It's enough for me. And maybe it will be enough for you. This tool can create high quality pictures even without the maximum size, guys. Here is the prompt guidance, which means higher values will make your image closer to your prompt. We have got quality and details, so more steps will result in a high quality image, but we will take longer. So if you set this to maximum, it will take longer, guys, to create the image. So let's try, for example, 70. Here are the number of images you can create, 1 to 4, guys. Now we can use some prompts to create the images. And I have got this website. Here are some incredible Midjourney V4 prompts. There are a lot of prompts, and I want to test these prompts into Playground AI. So let's begin. For example, let's use this pixel style prompts. And for example, let's try this one. Let's copy the prompt. Let's go back to Playground AI. Let's enter the prompt here and let's choose the style. Here is the search bar. You can just type pixel, and here is the pixel style. For example, let's choose this style. Let's choose the emissions here, and let's set to 4 images. So you need to click the generate button in the bottom left part of the website, and let's begin creating the images. It will take a few seconds and our AI art will be ready. As you can see, in a 15 seconds, this tool created wonderful images for us in a pixel style, guys. Here we have some options. When you go to the image you like, you can create the variations. You can download this image by clicking this button. Also, we have got this menu here. Let's click actions, and here you will see a lot of options. For example, we can upscale this by 4x. So let's upscale this image, and after upscaling it, we can click the download button, and let's see what is the result. So you can see it has got a high quality, guys. So with this free AI tool, we can create high quality images for free, for absolutely free, guys. 1000 images per day means that this app is free. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you in this short update. You can test this tool, you can compare it to Midjourney, and please write down in the comment section what do you think about Playground AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. You are helping me with your likes, and see you in the next video.